Hi everyone, we're doing a review here of the Hydra Gun versus the Theragun Mini. If you haven't already, press the like button for the YouTube algorithm helping the channel grow and create more videos for you all, and subscribe as well for more videos. I'm going to go into more depth with the Hydra Gun and Theragun Mini in a separate video. So with that said, let's jump into it. This is a comparison, a head-on comparison between both products. On the left-hand side, we've got the Hydra Gun, and we also have the case that it comes with, including the components. And you've got a variety of different nice little components that it comes with that you can, adjust and adapt, which I really appreciate. I like that a lot. And you've got like a case right here with a different extension for the power, if you want to be able to charge it. I've got it actually right here, so if you're going internationally, this comes in very, very handy. Also, if you're in the business of providing massages, I think this is a much better product in comparison to the Theragun Mini. So let's go into it a little more. The Theragun Mini, as you can see, is a much smaller product. The handle is basically the product itself, so you can't reach back around or massage yourself the way that you want to massage yourself. And there's only one piece that comes with it. This is it. Even says that on the box. You're only getting these items included, okay? So there's not much you're getting with the product. It's very little. And in my recommendation, you may want to consider something a little differently, like the Hydra Gun, for that reason. Another reason is this Theragun Mini has only 3 speeds, okay? And the Hydra Gun has up to 6 speeds. And I'll go into a little more depth, but as you can see right there, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 speeds on it. And the battery life, I feel, on the Hydra Gun lasts a lot longer. So that's another piece of it that I want to be able to bring up. One of the largest pieces I want to be able to say is the sound or the noise that's coming from both of these products. I'll do a side-by-side comparison for you guys to see, but the Theragun Mini is very loud in comparison to the Hydra Gun. It makes a lot more noise at even the lowest speed in comparison to Hydra Gun's even low speed, medium speed, and going up to the 4th speed, which is much more faster than the Theragun Mini, is still quieter. So I'm gonna go ahead and do like a noise comparison test so you guys can hear it, but highly recommend you guys really check that out, because if you're using a product, for me in general, I want something that's very quiet. I want something that's very loud. I want something that's relaxing. And even if I'm a massage therapist and I'm using any of these products, I want to be able to use something that's quiet. It's something that, you're massaging yourself. You want to relax. So let's jump into it. All right, guys. So we got the Theragun Mini right here. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on the 1st speed. Second speed. Third speed. Alright, so that was the Theragun Mini. Let's jump right into the Hydra Gun. I'm going to go on speed 1. Very quiet. Speed 1. That's speed 2. Speed number 3. Number 4. Number 5. number 6. That's the highest one. Okay, so I'm gonna go back down to 0, and that's a good thing is you can click it down to 0, no speed at all. With the Theragun Mini, you can't do that. You can only go down back to 1, and you can't go nowhere like that. So, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put on number 1 speed so you guys can hear it. It's very quiet, by the way. And I'm gonna go ahead and try on the Theragun Pro, and you're gonna see the world of difference. I mean, you can tell, is this a much louder device in itself. So, in terms of sound, there is a clear winner. This is the Hydra Gun. And in terms of product, in my comparison between both, again, is the Hydra Gun. So, you know, this is a night and day type of comparison, in my opinion. Now, in terms of weight, the Hydra Gun does weigh a little bit more than the Hydragun Mini. I mean, not the Hydragun, the Theragun Mini. And, you know, that might be when you're holding this and you're massaging it, it might get you a little tired, but you're holding it from this handle here, so you're not going to get as tired as holding it like this, in my opinion. Plus, you can be able to get back easier and go down lower. So anyways, guys, that was a full review, a side-by-side comparison between both products. I hope this was helpful. Again, I'm going to post down a link down below if you'd like to purchase either of these products. But press the like button, subscribe for more videos. I'm doing an independent review on both of these products. And comment down below if you've used any of these products or other products that you recommend. Love to hear your thoughts and which one you think might be better. I love to review it. Thank you so much.